And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create Illustrator actions. These work kind of like the Photoshop actions, and I've already done a video about it. But let me create a specific one for Illustrator as well. I'll need some text. Let me just call that outline, and I'm going to create multiple outlines. And we're going to use an action for that. Let me play around with the size and the distance between the letters. And obviously you could use any font that you want. Make sure it's aligned to the center, then right click and create outlines. What we need are swatches. I'm going to use this basic palette, so web color group. You should have that by default as well. We need the Pathfinder to unite. When you can't find that, go to Window and open your Pathfinder menu. And now we need actions. We've got this quick action button, but we need the menu to create a new one. So just open it via Window. Then open a new folder. I'll just call that Outline Tutorial. And now click on the new one to create a new action. So this is an unlimited outline. And click on record. It has already started to record, and the button left to it can be used to stop the recording. You can see the text is still selected. Go to Object, Path, and then Offset Path. 8 pixels should be fine for this size. Adjust it to your own size. Now let me give it a different color, but at first I'll simply click on Unite, and then I need to put it to the back, so right click, Arrange, Send to Back. And it's all recorded by the action. So I repeat the process now. And I don't have to unite or send it to the back anymore. So this is what we now have to do for the remaining swatches of this color palette. So always Object, Path, Offset Path. Then OK for 8 pixels and give that the new swatch. And you can see if I wanted to fill the whole canvas, it would take me a lot of time. So this Photoshop or this Illustrator action is certainly useful in this case. Alright, I can stop the recording now. Now let's get back to the action itself. So the unlimited outline, and then just click play. And you can see it runs through the entire action one by one. Just click on play as often as you have to fill your canvas. Let me ungroup it, and I'm going to shift click on the text because I want to adjust that a little bit. Let me right click, group that, or go to Object and Group. I give it a white fill color, and then I copy it by pressing Ctrl C, and then I paste it in back by pressing Ctrl B. And I use the arrow keys to move that to the side. You can see I've given it a black fill, so we've got kind of like a shadow created. And I've given the white one a black stroke on top. So let us create a rectangle. I'll hold Shift when I do that. I select it all. And then I use the Shape Builder tool and I hold Alt and get rid of everything that's outside of the rectangle. So left, right, bottom and top. It might take some time to process depending on your CPU power. That should be it. Now let me delete the rectangle. I'll press Ctrl Z. I only want to select the rectangle and then press the delete key. And this is how you can use Illustrator actions to create this unlimited outline effect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.